In this video, I will show you how to check Spotify Wrapped 2024. To get started, go ahead and open Spotify on your device and make sure that you're signed in into your account. At the top of your screen, you'll be able to find the Wrapped tab. So click on that Wrap tab and that will redirect you into this section. And here, go ahead and click on that Your Wrap button to be able to view your Spotify Wrap 2024. Your Spotify Wrap 2024 basically contains all of the top songs and top artists that you've listened to on Spotify for the year 2024. In here, you'll be able to view a quick recap of your music evolution for the year 2024 from the start of the year until the very end of the year. So you'll be able to find your listening minutes count along with the top artist list that you have on Spotify and other more information such as your top artists, the top songs that you've listened to, and more. So you can view all of this in this Your Wrap section. And that's basically how you can check your Spotify Wrap 2024. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give it a like. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.